Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelica Chrysler. I am the proud owner, operator, magician, fairy godmother of Angelica Chrysler Beauty. Now I say both names. If you can say Angelica, like, I will love you forever. If you say Angelica, don't worry, I will love you just a little bit. Anyway, yes, thank you for coming. So this is my updated version. Back 2 years ago, I was going by a different name. Now I'm just using my full name, and I am so grateful to everyone who has helped me rebrand and just turn this into something so amazing and beautiful. Basically, what you're gonna find when you come here is my energy, of course, and I am a licensed cosmetologist. I have been in the beauty industry for 19 years, but I don't show it. Obviously, I've been doing something right. Just kidding, it's just good genes. This is just upkeep, nothing serious. But yes, so I have a lot of information, a lot of wisdom, a lot of years of just being around in this industry and seeing things and hearing things and learning things throughout the years that YouTube never taught me, okay? Like, I am so grateful for YouTube. You guys are amazing. I follow some of you, and I am like blown away by the creativity and the love that you guys put in. So here I am, giving my own love, giving my own passion and everything that I am and everything that I love about this industry into this channel. And I am so excited to be here with you guys and be open. And honestly, like, I don't know if you guys like watch my posts on Instagram or anything like that, but I am straight the fuck up. Like, you will hear me cussing, you will hear me talking about my life, you'll hear me talking about my experiences, my life philosophies. I mean, if you don't want to hear that kind of stuff, just skip ahead. But if you do, there's plenty to share. Like I said, I've been doing this half my life, and if you guys know how to do math, then you know how old I am. But either way, that doesn't even matter. Age is just a number, and I am here to just live my life and have an amazing time with you guys and just share everything that I am with you. So thank you again for tuning in. Please subscribe, please share, comment. You guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I answer every single comment, every single one, almost immediately too. And it just means I care. Like, I really, really care. I care that you guys get my tutorials. I care that, you know, you really understand how to execute everything and just like be confident and just go out there and look your absolute best and feel your absolute best, because that's what this is about. This is about sharing and growing and loving and supporting each other. So anything that I can do for you, you guys always just leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. What do you want to see? Let me know. I'm here for you. So yes, this is it. All right, let's go have fun. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Mwah.